Welcome to 9 tips on how to. Here are 9 tips on how to stop smoking. 1. Set a quit date and stick to it. 2. Find a support system, such as friends, family, or a support group. 3. Avoid triggers that make you want to smoke, such as alcohol or stress. 4. Use nicotine replacement therapy, such as gum or patches. 5. Stay busy and active to distract yourself from cravings. 6. Practice relaxation techniques, like deep breathing or yoga. 7. Reward yourself for milestones, like a week or month without smoking. 8. Stay positive and remind yourself of the benefits of quitting. 9. Seek professional help if needed, such as counseling or medication. Remember, quitting smoking is a journey, and it's okay to seek help and support along the way. Good luck.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, share.